At Platinum Collision of Tyler, we'll minimize the impact of an auto accident by providing quality, convenient, and cost-effective repairs done right the first time. We deliver the highest quality reconstruction services while providing the highest level of customer satisfaction through each step. Platinum Collision customers can rest easy knowing that a technically qualified service team is repairing their vehicle. Whether it's a minor repair or something much more substantial, we can restore your vehicle back to factory new condition. Serving Tyler and the surrounding areas, Platinum Collision is committed to quality workmanship and the safety of your vehicle. To learn more about our services, visit us online or give us a call to schedule your appointment today.